Welcome to my channel Sara Art and Design. Subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for the further videos notification. Hey guys, welcome to my channel Sara Art and Design. Today's my video's topic is how we can make embroidery neck with fuse paper or a buckram in very easy and a simple way. Here are some tricks which I'm using to make it. So let's get started. Firstly, we have to cut a normal shirt over here. Then after that we have to mark the center point of the neck. After marking the center point of the neck, we have to mark the broadness of our neck. In my case I'm taking the broadness of 5 inches, not more than 5 inches, because its total neck broadness is around to 7 inch. So I'm taking in my neck broadness would be 5 inch. From the center it would be 2.5 inch on a both side, left and right. And after marking the broadness, I'm marking the same to little bit on a curvish area. It remains same. Now just match these points and make a outer line. So it would be look like this. My deepness would be from the embroidery portion. If I mark it, then it would be 7, but I would be take on my broadness, which I have marked on a 2.5 inch. So its ready length would be 6 inch, because now its length is 6.5, and after stitching it would be 6 inch, and it will be perfect for me. So for making neck, I have take a piece of a cloth 10 by 10 inch and paste on a fuse paper. So here is my fuse paper on which I have already pasted it. Because with the fuse paper you can make it very easily, otherwise it would be little difficult if you cut the neck before. So here is my right side of a fabric and right side of a shirt facing to each other, and now we have to match center line to the center line to the piece of cloth and center line of the shirt. Here on the back side we have marked 2.5 and 2.5 on both sides. We have to mark the same on downwards. Now we have to match these points and make a line on which we have to stitch for the neck. From here it would be straight, and from downwards it would be little bit curvish, and then make a V over here. Just make it and give a proper shape. So I'm just darkening it out so that you can see it clearly. Both side difference would be vary from each other, because uh, embroidery is not equally done in each part. On a both parts it would be little bit different, or it would be little bit not aligned on a both side also. So uh, just take care of one thing. If you are stitching these kind of suits, then you have to wash it first and then stitch it out, because after washing, embroidery part would be little bit shrink out. That's why you have to wash it first. Now what we have to do is, we have to pin up the our fuse paper with shirt. I have pinned it. It would be look like this on the back side. We don't have need to stitch from the back side, we will stitch from the front side, because it would be very easily to find it where we have to stitch. Now we have to stitch on a marked line. Firstly, lock the stitch. And now it's done. After give a stitch, we have to cut extra threads, and stitching would be look like this. Here is our stitching line, and now we have to remove our pins. Now here is our stitching line, and I am taking 1 inch extra from the stitching line for the marginal for folding, and here I am taking one more line of a 1/4 inch, because I have to fold the paper from the side first and then fold the hemming. Now cut it from here. When you are cutting, then please be careful, don't cut your shirt along with that. Now we have to cut the inner side of the neck, also leaving 1/4 inch margin over here. No need to cut very close. Now give some notches, because these knots give a better and beautiful finish to your neckline, and it would not be difficult to fold your side portion. Now we have to nail it. Press it out here on the seam's edge, so that it could be folded very easily. After pressing this with the help of a nail, you can do this, otherwise you can do with the help of iron. So after completed this, it would be look like this. Now we have to fold the outer marginal area first and make a stitch on it. Fold it and make a loose stitch over here. So outer side is completed. Now it would be look like this. Now we have to stitch. Now we have to fold to inner side and make a stitch on it. Folding, we have no need to stretch it out over here, just fold it and make a stitch. It would be a low stitch over here because after hemming we will remove this stitch. Its basic purpose is to settle out the neck, and for the hemming it would be very helpful. Now it's completed over here. Its back side would be look like this. Now we are going to stitch on a edge of the neckline for the finishing. So it's my finished part. My embroidery neckline is completed over here. It would be look like this. There is a little bit difference in the embroidery, that's why it is looking like this. So outer margin on the both side would be different because embroidery is not on a aligned portion, that's why. So my complete look like this, and back side would be look like this. After hemming we will complete it and remove this loose stitch. And here is the front part of this. After finished it would be look like very pretty, very beautiful. So guys, if you like my video then please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching my videos guys.